Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings. Here you have to choose the lock screen and security. Afterwards, let's tap on fingerprint scanner to add your fingerprint. Let's read the instruction, let's tap continue. Before you add your fingerprint, you need to set some backup screen lock method. So decide that you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap continue and let's do it again just for confirmation. Choose confirm. Now you need to scan your fingerprint. So let's get ready. Let's choose your fingerprint that you want to use. In my case, it could be that one. And let's just start tapping. So you have to place your fingerprint on your home key and lift it a couple of times. As you can see, the progress bar is right here. You have to save the different parts of your finger. Let's tap continue. It's almost done. And that's it. Here you can add another fingerprint, or if one is enough, let's choose done. You have to decide of the form of notifications. You can hide some content. You can choose some notification icons. In my case, let me leave these features as it was in the default settings. Let's tap done right here. You can change some settings about your fingerprint, or you can simply start using your lock. Let's just press the power key to lock your device, and now if you would like to unlock your phone, you can enter the pattern, or you may do the same thing with your fingerprint. Let me show you. Let's just push your scanner, and that's it. You just unlock your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.